protecting your property. In this day and age, that involves more than just security guards. We'll tell you how to keep unwanted intruders out of your business. Hey there, I'm Carrie-Ann Smith and this is Jamaica Magazine. Also on the show today, we'll meet some proud farmers who've been leading the charge to increase production in the agri-parks and a message to uplift the youth. We kickstart the package with a quick message and a stop at the news desk.
March 15. March 15. March 15.
Employers, employees, and self-employed persons, take note. March 15, 2014 is the deadline to file your income tax returns for 2013-2014. Visit your local tax office or get 24-hour access by registering online at jamaicatax-online.gov.jm. Remember to use the correct form. Self-employed persons or persons with other sources of income should use the IT-01 form. Individuals whose only income is taxed at source, for example, PAYE or withholding tax, should use the IT-05 form, and those filing on behalf of companies should use the IT-02 form. For more information, contact Tax Administration Jamaica's Customer Care Center at 1-888-TAX-HELP. That's 1-888-829-4357. Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your GIS News for Thursday, March 6. An implementation task force is to be established to oversee the merger of the Island Special Constabulary Force, the ISCF, and the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the GSAT. This follows Cabinet's approval to create a single police force that will engage in crime prevention and control initiatives. The National Security Ministry says there are several benefits to be gained from the merger, which will be effected in the 2014-2015 financial year. These include a single command and communication structure, less duplication of administrative services, expanding the skill sets of police personnel, and the rationalization of various overheads such as property rental. Cabinet's decision to merge the GSAT and ISCF follows consultation with various stakeholders. The merger was recommended by the Wolf Report of 1991 as well as 5 other reports and studies. Meanwhile, the Ministry of National Security and other stakeholders are getting children involved in the Unite for Change campaign to promote peace in the society. Scores of students and other individuals attended a peace concert at the Emancipation Park on Tuesday to launch Peace Month 2014 under the theme Champions for Peace.
We're really trying to create a national movement for peace. And critical for the future is the youth. If we can get it right, then we can stop worrying about Jamaica going to pieces and we can start thinking about Jamaicans living in peace.
The Peace Day concert featured performances and positive messages from entertainers Wayne Marshall and Assassin.